This is Lily Cat. She has decided to be my bedmate. I don't particularly wish for a bedmate, especially not a cat bedmate that purrs at me, or hisses at me, or crawls on my back, or sticks her tail in my face. But she's a good cat. Aren't you a good cat, Lily? Look at her. She's like, hiss, boo, I'll have nothing to do with you, human. She objected strenuously to me making the bed. So now she's ignoring me to show her disdain. Look at her, disdainful cat. See her? Hi. I'm gonna have to sleep with this cat. Boo. Hi, cat. Are you ignoring me again?